This is another Set 25 tutorial video, this time going over how to use the countif function on Microsoft Excel. What the countif function does is that it counts the cells that meet a single given criterion. For this example, we'll be using the countif function to calculate the total amount of participants of each given gender, whether they be female, male, or non-binary. So let's start with females. In order to count the amount of females in this study, what we're going to need to do is hit equals COUNTIF, open parentheses, and then we need to specify our range, which goes from C2 colon to C171. That should highlight everything from those points, comma, quotation mark, and then we need to specify our criteria, which is female, and then close parentheses, and then you can hit enter, and there you should have the total amount of females in this study. So we're going to do the same thing for male and non-binary. So equals COUNTIF, open parentheses, C2 to C171, comma, open quotation. The criterion would instead be male, and then hit enter. And then for non-binary, equals COUNTIF, open parentheses, C2 colon C171, comma, quotation, and then the criteria would be non-binary. And there you have it.